Hello again. Today we're going to make a sewing knot, or you might call it a swirly twirly knot. I've cut the right length of yarn off the ball that I've been using, and usually it would be longer than this. A sewing length is about from the tip of your fingers to your elbow, but this, for demonstration purposes, is shorter. I've threaded my needle. The yarn goes through the eye right there. Now there's a little rhyme. I point to the sky, and I'm going to pretend that the sky is in that direction. I point to the sky, and with feet near the eye, and this long end here, the long end, is the feet. The trick is to make a circle with it, because the feet always have to point down. They go to the ground, not to the sky, right? So I point to the sky, and with feet near the eye, so you have a circle here. I'm holding it there. I wind 5 times around. Now, honestly, 3 times is fine. I say 5 times so that I can look around the classroom and see what everybody's doing. When I have it right, I hold on tight and I slide it all the way down. Not too tight. It goes all the way down. See how I'm holding the yarn here with my fingers so it doesn't come out of the needle? And I'm sliding it down, keeping my fingers on it, not too tight, until the end. And there is a really handy sewing knot. Let's do that one more time. I'll cut that knot off and we'll do it again. I point to the sky, and with feet near the eye, I wind 5 times around. 3, 4, 5. When I have it right, I hold on tight and I slide all the way down. Oh, a little bump getting over the eye there, but I slide all the way down. And there is your knot right there. All right, and you're ready to sew. This works with any kind of thread, thick yarn, thin thread, any kind of thread where you need a knot. Thank you for watching.